Hi everyone, and welcome to another BAM unboxing. As you know, as you might not know, BAM, it's a mystery box, comes every month. They deal with autographs authenticated by Beckett, film props, and pins and artwork. Yeah, and it costs you 36 quid from here, from from America to get to me, and a couple of weeks extra on top, but I don't mind waiting, the box is worth it. So yeah, there's going to be a load of shadows, that's me bloody light on and I don't like it, but yeah. Right, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, please like, subscribe and share, and hit that notification bell with your dad's holy smelly socks, so it rings and rings and rings until it falls off. Then you know that I have uploaded another video. Anyway, that's not what you come here for. You come here to watch me unbox that and see what's inside. I will leave a description where you can get a BAM box from down below. So without further ado and all that, number 5, come alive you little bugger, look at that, my knife. Number 5 is alive. I'm alive. Right, let's cut this, so here we go. And put number 5 around, number 5, put that away so it don't hurt anybody. As normal, I'll give you lot the first look inside the box. As you can see, it's paper, and it's 2 lots of paper. Yeah, the last couple of boxes I've had, they just put bubble wrap in there, but they decided to give 2 pieces of paper. I don't mind, I love it. So yeah, we'll yeah, keep on bringing it. I love it, don't mind. Yes, put that down. And as always, bam 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 bam. I'm a bammer, I'm a bammer, it does me good like it bloody well should. I'm a bammer, I'm a bammer, it does me good like it bloody well should. Bam, 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 bam. There you go. I'll put it there. So first thing out of the box is the pin. And it's a geek box, gamer box, and I forgot what the franchises are, but we've got a cheat sheet, and that's for what's name. But you lot must probably know, and you're telling me, you're shouting and kicking, calling me a donut, calling me an oil tanker, you name it, I'm it. But at the end of the day, I don't know who it is, but I'll find out at the end. So yes, let's see what the art card is, if I can get it. Cool. Yeah, I've got quite a few of these. Yeah, cool. Yet again, Red Redemption comes to mind, but I don't think that was part of the franchise. But like I said, we'll find out at the end. I'm a bammer, I'm a bammer. Yep. Right, as always, BAM puts in a scratch card and it gives you a chance to win telly, Xbox, PlayStation, Ultravox, and whatever else they decide they want to put in. But I ain't one, but I know people have. Yeah. Alright, what's that? Oh, flat screen TV. Yeah. What's that? Uh, Xbox, PS4. I ain't won nothing. So. Yeah. Yeah, never mind. Yeah, never mind. But you gotta be in it to win it. Right, and oh, cool. Volume 1. It is. Never heard of this comic. That's number 1. Some dynamite. Number 1. That's, I don't know what to say. I like it. I collect comics, especially old ones, but it's not a known one, but it's a number 1. But yeah, we'll have it. We're not gonna walk away from that one, are we? No. And the art print, signed, authenticated by BAM. Oh, the Prince of Persia. Nice one, a bit dark, but nice. And that is, if you can see it, that is 59 out of 2,200. Not bad. One day I'll get number 1. And there's the artist. Yep. Oh well, one day I'll get number 1. Right, and the autograph. Wow. That's cool. It's been, you can see. Yep. If you know who that is, then you're on to a good winner. Because I certainly bloody don't. Yet again. But I'm not moaning. It's a lovely one. Autograph. And they put... Normally they put who it is. I mean... They gave me 2 cheat sheets. Yeah, 2 cheat sheets they gave me. What am I meant to do with 2? Right. In my box. Jen Taylor. Yes, that's who it is. Jen Taylor. Oh, dozens of other video game characters. Oh, what? Voice Halo. Oh, right. Yeah, okay. Collector's pin. Check out the... Oh, Duke Nukem. Yeah. Artist gallery. Prince of Persia. We know that. It's received a lot of attention. 2000. Okay, prop item. Completing our cross box dynamite comic collection. Most will join Peter Case in the work Sword Quest on his journey. Claiming the you, inspiring golden sword. The rest will get Animal Jam, online video game in a beautiful world. And oh, so you get different ones. Yeah. Right, and the artist. Continuing our Williams series and sketch collectors, cards. Enjoy artists. Oakwell Flowers. Redemption of our favourite Metal Gear Solid bad guy. Right. All right. Yeah. Level up. I don't know why they gave me two for. They must have been in a hurry. But not moaning. Yes, and these are the level ups you could have got. I think that one would have done me bloody eyes in. Yeah. Yeah. But never mind, I got that one, and that's a beauty. Could have got that one, but anyway, Jen Taylor. So I'll have to remember that. Yes, right, beauty. Yeah, I like that. Yep. Right then. Thanks for watching, and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to hit that notification bell with your dad's smelly holy socks. So it rings and rings and rings. Anyway, I'm going. And thanks for watching. Remember, keep your distance. Wear a mask. Stay safe. Goodbye.